So you want to learn how to make $1,000 a week with Exitus Elite. Well, I'm going to show you how to do that. This is free game. It doesn't cost you anything. Watch this video. It'll probably take about 5 minutes. My name's Steve. I struggled for like 8 years and failed at over 12 different business opportunities before I learned some simple strategies that allowed me to start getting results. I was able to make like over $2,100 just working part-time, doing this stuff online. And now that I'm getting results, I'm trying to help other struggling affiliate marketers start getting results using some low-cost affiliate marketing strategy so that you can start getting results in your business and start creating the time freedom that you really deserve. So if you hate Mondays as much as I do, then just check this free information out. It's a free game. You don't have to cost anything. Just click the like, click the subscribe if this resonates with you, and it'll help me out in the algorithm. All right. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to join Exitus Elite, right? If you're not already in, then join, right? When you join, I'm going to give you all of this training plus my free ebook, or it's not free, but I'm going to give it to you for free as well as a video course that's going to explain more of this stuff in depth. But I'm about to show you how to do this for free right now. Okay. The first thing you do is, if $1,000 is all you want per week, just focus on, let me get my trusty pen out here. Just focus on, well, jeez. Let me try that one more time. The pen don't want to work. You know what I mean? All right. If this doesn't work this time, then screw it. All right. Oh, I'm struggling today. What they call it? The struggle bus? Yeah, that's crazy. Anyway, all you need to do is focus on one G1000 sale per week, right? That's all you need, right? How do you do that though? Well, I want to give you a quick case study. This is my friend Sean, right? When I joined as Exitus Elite, I joined at the top level. Okay. I got some training from Sean, and I want you to take a look at his YouTube channel, right? And let me close this. What you're gonna notice is he's showing up in all these thumbnails, right? And then what he does is he posts these on Facebook, and I think he also sends it to his list. But basically what I'm trying to show you is this is something called personal branding, right? People are not going to buy anything from you until they feel like they know, like, and trust you. Okay. The fastest way to do that and generate that know, like, and trust factor is if you create videos, right? Videos are free to create. I'm creating a video right now using the software called Loom, Loom, loom.com. You can record your screen. If you don't want people to see your face, you can just come down here, click this X, and they won't see your face. It's very simple and it's free, right? From there, all you do is you find out what kind of problems people have, create videos around those problems, showing them how to solve those problems. This is the fastest way for you to create the know, like, and trust factor, because people will then start to feel like they trust you as a trusted advisor, and they'll want to actually check out the things that you have to offer. Let me see if it's gonna work right now. One more time. There we go. That was a stupid line. But yeah, after you've done that, right, this is what you want to do next. Figure out who your customer avatar is. Who is it that you're trying to target? Because if you're marketing to everyone, that means you're marketing to no one. You need to figure out the perfect customer for your product or service. This is for anything that you want to promote, not just Exitus Elite. I go over this more in detail in my video training course, but basically a customer avatar is going to be the person that you are focused on. When you're creating a video, you want to talk to one person, and that is your customer avatar. So just sit down and figure out who is it that you really want to help. Where do they work? How old are they? What kind of struggles do they have? Do they have kids? Do they what kind of music do they like? What do they do for fun? Right? Create this, and you can also go as far as giving it a name, so that when you're creating a video, you're talking to specifically that person. What's going to happen is not only will you target and start to attract that person, you're going to attract people that are like-minded, that are similar to them, right? And yeah, that's basically the hack or the gem or that's the game right there, right? If you run into any successful six-figure marketer, they all have a customer avatar that they're focused on, and that's who they market to. And by doing that, they're able to not only get those people, but people that are around that type of person's demographic go makeup or whatever the case may be. All right. So this is how you supercharge what I just showed you. Now, as far as $1,000 a day, you got to make a lot of videos, right? Look at Sean's page. This is the case study. Sean said he made like 40 grand in a month. You know what I'm saying? In Exitus Elite, and he shows all his proof. He's killing it. And look at all these videos, right? You can make a video a day or a video every other day. It's very simple to do, right? And like I said before, this is my back office, whatever. All you gotta do is focus on G1000 sales, right? Tell them if they get started at G1000, you're gonna give them some kind of bonus. That's as simple. It's not hard, guys. It's not hard. Just get out of your own way, right? You gotta get outside your comfort zone, right? I figured out how to do that myself because I was stuck in my comfort zone for a while before I started seeing any type of results. But like I said before, if this is something that resonates with you, if you want to learn more about this stuff, then watch this next video. And if you want to check out the ebook, just go to affiliatecheatcode.com and you can check out the ebook. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Hope you got some value from this. Go ahead and click the like button, click the subscribe button because it's going to help me out in the algorithm. All right, take care. God bless.